Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is prepositional phrase 181. The prepositional phrase today is to taste. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot right now. Do it. All right. If someone says to taste, it basically means depending on one's personal taste. It is considered to be a cooking term and is especially used in recipes to show how much salt, pepper, spices, etc. one should add to the food. It is basically letting you know it is up to you depending on how much of the taste or flavor one wants. Okay, good. And we got 4 examples here to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. Add the spicy peppers to taste. Okay, number 2. The recipe leaves it up to you. It says add the garlic to taste. Okay, number 3. If you like more cinnamon, add more cinnamon. The recipe says add cinnamon to taste. Okay, and number 4, it is better not to add too much of that flavor. Just leave that spice on the side and everyone can add their own to taste. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it's clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.